King Quayus, all net ENT, stay in motion.
Hey, you want something, tell me what you gonna do to get it. Sacrifice something, show me that you really with it. He tried to tell you, but it seem like they don't really get it. Steady pace, cause the marathon is never finished. You know it. The marathon is never finished. Player, the marathon is never finished. Queen, the marathon is never finished. King, it's a marathon. Ay, you hustle hard 7 days when you know the struggle. Keep flipping, that's the player way to make it double. Diversify, send the opposition through a funnel. Reverse the curse, now they knowing that we more than muscle. You rushing toward the hearse, but me, I like the Maserati. She got a body, but her mind is what I wanna mention. She pay attention and she catching what you fail to mention. Fuck stripping, I got misses in the club tipping. It make me laugh when these people think we competition. We all like children, but you niggas out here acting Christian. What was the fan when the nigga had no pot to piss in? Stunting on me, couldn't even offer word of advice. Cause we was blood, I thought you gave a fuck about my life. But it's alright, I got the sight to make the most of my life. Dark days, couldn't even put a 10 on my sight. I'm self-made, motherfuckers better get it right. You want something, tell me what you gonna do to get it. Sacrifice something, show me that you really with it. He tried to tell you, but it seem like they don't really get it. Steady pace, cause the marathon is never finished. Nigga, the marathon is never finished. Player, the marathon is never finished. Queen, the marathon is never finished. King, the marathon. Who really in your corner, man? Just face the facts. I'm a boss about my business, ayy. I'm betting black. Once upon a time, only option was to get it on the block. Now my money on the ad, working for me round the clock. Remember days, money was low, brothers couldn't get along. Never heard of opportunity zones. You tryna scale, player, you can hit my line, ayy. This ain't Nathan New, Quayus been up on this grind. Scaling business with the crew, off the money avenue. People hungry for your food, then you gotta keep a tool. So I teach myself to do what they never taught in school. You financially lit, no one can tell you what's the move, ayy. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give them the gang, give up the gang, giving them game now. That's why the competition study all my ways now. Didn't think I saw you lurking on my page, wow. You want something, tell me what you gonna do to get it. Sacrifice something, show me that you really with it. He tried to tell you, but it seemed like they don't really get it. Steady pace, cause the marathon is never finished.